last minute, we have this very nasty thunderstorm that formed. And yet the guy on the radio said there's nothing on the radar. On 1010 winds. I mean, it is pouring outside. And I just heard the loudest clap of thunder I heard in like at least 2 years. Oh, holy shoot! Whoa! Woo! Yeah, I got it on video. Damn! I'm turning on the TV to see if there's any warnings out. That was the loudest clap of thunder I heard in 5 years. Damn! Let's see what the guy on the radio is saying now. It's currently no warnings out. It's 84 and sunny. Oh my God. Oh my goodness.